Are you itching to click that buy button on a Dakota Digital instrument system but aren't sure just what to expect in the box? Watch as we explore the contents of an HDX system, taking it straight from the delivery truck and opening every bag so you know just what to expect. The packing slip on the box outlines all of the excellent products contained inside. You'll also find a bright orange sticker prompting you to open the box and make sure everything is present and accounted for. All products are shipped with plenty of packing material, ensuring that even if your package arrives looking like it was delivered by an MMA fighter, the precious cargo is still safe. Reach right in and start pulling out the items. You're looking for the instrument display head, manuals and instructions, plus the sensor pack and control box. While we're dissecting an HDX system here, the contents are the same across the VFD3, VHX, and RTX lines as well. The displays are placed in a static-free bag, then wrapped in bubble wrap. Carefully free the displays without damaging them. A heavy hand with a large knife is a surefire way to scratch the lens or bezel. Lenses are protected with a clear film. This should be removed right before final installation. Note the yellow sticker prompting the installer to calibrate the speedometer and fuel gauge. If your control box is in a bag, carefully cut the bag to remove it. The control box is the brains of the entire system, with all sensor and vehicle harness inputs connecting here, as well as the single cable to the display. The sensor pack is the same for most kits, regardless of make or model. Open the bag and remove the harnesses, instructions, and small bag of sensors. The speed sensor is a pulse generator that threads onto a mechanical transmission in place of the cable. Ford applications will include a speed sensor adapter. Simply add your existing gear and retaining clip. The oil pressure sensor has 1/8 inch NPT threads and accepts the supplied 3-wire weather-sealed harness connector. The coolant temperature sensor also has 1/8 inch NPT threads and a sealed connector as well. For easy installation, there are brass adapters supplied, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch NPT, as well as 12 and 16 mm metric bushings. Only the metric bushings will use these aluminum crush washers. The 10-foot harness for each sensor has a sealed connector and will be routed to the control box. These harnesses can be cut to length as needed. Application-specific hardware and cables are packed with the manuals. The main display cable is 3 feet long and plugs into the display head and control box. This particular system requires a Y adapter to connect the two displays together. The mounting hardware is neatly bagged. An array of instructions is supplied with each kit: mounting specifics, main installation and programming, and a quick start guide. HDX and RTX systems include a small buzzer to allow audio feedback from the instrument system. This plugs into the display. A small programming switch handles all setup and calibration preferences. The switch connects to the control box and should be mounted within reach of the driver. This brightly colored quick start guide leads you through the basics to get an instrument system up and running in short order. You may have noticed that a fuel level sensor is not supplied in the kit, and that's because Dakota Digital systems are adjustable to match nearly any resistive type sensor. If your fuel level sender in the tank is in good working order, there's likely no reason to change it when installing a new Dakota Digital instrument system. After looking through the contents of this HDX system, you can see it includes everything you'll need to get it up and running, making a Dakota Digital instrument system among the most complete and ready-to-run packages on the market.